So this is the topology and this is the subnetting table that I do. Each the host number is the highest to the lowest. The PC6 is 900 hosts. The PC1 765 hosts. The PC2 the 350 hosts. The PC4 the 150 hosts. The PC3 is 50 hosts. And the PC5 is 125 hosts. So the 3-2 is the 3 hosts, the R1 connected to R2, the R2 connected to R3, the R3 connected to R1. So this is the 2 number of hosts. So how I get my theta and CIDR. So CIDR and theta. The 900 hosts belongs to 1022, which is the CDR is 22 CDR. And the theta is 0.0.4, that's 705. The theta of 765 is belong to to 1022. The CDR is 22. The theta is 0.004. So that's how I get my CDR and theta. The formula is the 1022, then the theta, and the CIDR. Network address. How get the network address? The formula of network address plus the formula of network address is network address plus theta 192.168 192.168.0.0 network address 192.168.0.0 plus 0.0.4 equals to 192.168.4.0 plus 4 equals to 192.168.8.0 plus 0.002.0 equals to 192.168.10.0 plus 0.0.1.0 to 192.168.11.0 plus 0.0.0.0128 192.168.11.128 plus 0.0.0.26.4 equals to 192.168. Bali yung formula niya is the network address plus theta equals the network address. The first usable is, the formula is get the network address and plus 1. So 192.168.0.0.0 equals 192.168.0.1. Bali plus 1 lang. Nag plus 1 lang. Like 192.168.4.0, 192.168.4.1. Bali plus 1. Every in the first usable. First get the network address and plus 1, then you'll get the first usable IP address. The last usable. Bali broadcast mo na to. Broadcast address. Broadcast address is network address minus 1. Network address plus 1. Minus 1. Network address minus 1. The 192.168.4.0 is equals to 192.168.3.255. Bali, minus mo siya dito. Nakuha dito. 192.168.4.0 minus lang. 192.168.8.0 is 192.168.7.255. 192.168.10.0 is 192.169.255. Yung formula niya is network address minus 1. The network address minus 1. Get the network address minus 1 equals to broadcast address. That's the result. Get the last usable IP address is then I forgot the 0. The 0 is equivalent to 255. So 255 is equals to 0. How I get the last usable IP address? Last usable address is minus 1 to the broadcast address. Here, the broadcast address. So 192.168.3.255 minus 1, 192.168.3.254. 192.168.7.255 minus 192.168.7.254. 192.168.9.255 minus 192.68.254. So the formula is the last usable IP address is the broadcast address minus 1 equals the last usable IP address.